So our question today is, I'm moving in with my partner. I'm super excited, but is there anything that I need to think about? First of all, congratulations. That is super exciting and a huge step in your relationship. But there are a couple of things that you need to think about just to safeguard you in the event of the breakdown of the relationship. So I fully appreciate that it is not very romantic to talk about the breakdown of the relationship, especially in such a happy time and huge step. However, we have found that couples who do have these safeguards in place, it means that your communication can be greatly improved in the event of the breakdown of the relationship, especially where, for example, children are involved and you need to continue co-parenting. The first thing to remember is that cohabitees, or people who live together, are not offered the same protection as married couples. So it's really important that you have a document in place which sets everything out to make it extremely clear and concise. So you can do this in one of two ways. The first way is a declaration of trust, and this sets out exactly how you would split a property in the event of a breakdown. So for example, perhaps one of you has contributed a larger amount to the deposit, perhaps from an inheritance, for example, and maybe the other one has contributed a large amount to renovations in the property. Then the declaration of trust can set out exactly how much you should get in the event of the sale of the property, and then, for example, the remainder would be split equally between you. So a declaration of trust is a legally binding document. It will be provided to the land registry, and it really just makes the situation clear-cut and easy for everybody in the event of the breakdown of the relationship. The second option is a cohabitation agreement. So this goes into a lot more depth and does not just focus on the property. It can set out everything from arrangements for the children, even pets that you have jointly. So it really just makes everything clear and concise, so there are no arguments should you break up in the future. It is important to know, however, that this is not a legally binding document. It is just something that you can both go off and have a guide as to how you're going to separate assets in the event of the breakdown of the relationship. So I hope that answers your question, and this is a super exciting time for you, so good luck with everything. And if you do need any other help, then please just get in touch with us.